We'll start our session now. How to resolve wait on database recovery handle error. Very rare, especially if you are working on Windows 7 operating system. How to resolve this error? The wait on database engine recovery handle failed. Before we resolve, let's understand why we have this error actually and how to resolve it. Let's get started now. Simple and straight, really straightforward process. Let's get into the game. And on my screen now, what's the error and what's the scenario, what's the root cause, and what's the solution. Let's do it. Matter of minutes. Error. While installing SQL Server 2014 or 16 or 17 or 19 or 2022, we may see wait on database engine recovery handle, especially on Windows 11 operating system. And here is the error description, like database engine services, status failed, and this is the error code and error description. You Google this description and you find our video. Let's see the cause. During service startup, during SQL Server installation, SQL Server service gets started. And at that time, the SQL Server service will check for our local disk sector size. It should be either 512 or 4 KB. But unfortunately, especially in recent versions of Windows 11 OS, the disk sector size is sometimes more than 4 KB. It purely depends on our laptop company and the disk company. My laptop may be from HP, but the disk may be from CK. It depends. It depends. Sector size varies from one provider to another provider. One company to another company. Yes, here it is. Firstly, step number one. Okay, I'll just mention the things in a simple way. Let's enjoy it. Step number one. How to resolve? Step number one. Verify the disk sector size. In our job interviews as well, we may get this kind of question. There are no rules for interview, right? We may get this kind of question. How do you check the sector size? Or what sector sizes are supported by SQL Server? Or in what scenarios you may see or experience some other sectors which are not supported by SQL Server. We may have any kind of question. Let's prepare for it carefully. Number two, step two, the actual solution. Okay, two-step process. Let's enjoy it. Firstly, go to command prompt, go to CMD, run as administrator, and get this one. Just type this one. FSutil, FSinfo, file system utility, file system info, sector info, and C drive, D drive, wherever you are installing your SQL Server. Go to that particular drive. Here it is. Go to CMD, right click, run as administrator. Okay, and enter. Make sure it is 512 or 4 KB, means 4096. We need to look for physical bytes per sector and physical bytes per sector. One for atomicity, one for performance. I mean to say atomicity, performance. Second, third, 512 or 4096, 4KB. If something else is there, we need to resolve it. We need to go for step number two. How? Let's see. Simple, straight. Run this command. Set the sector size and restart your computer. I am using C drive in my case. In your case, it may be C drive or D drive or whatever. Wherever you're installing SQL Server, provide that particular drive location here, and that's it. Restart your computer. This will surely resolve the problem. And you can always comment below or reach me on +919030040801 9030040801. I'll be available on WhatsApp. I'll be able to check my WhatsApp messages occasionally during my free time and surely reply you back. Thank you so much, and hope this video would be helping few folks out there online.